Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to fill property tax online in Punjab. We'll cover understanding the official portal, gathering all your necessary documents, and then walk through the step-by-step submission process. Finally, I'll show you how to verify your payment status, ensuring everything is correctly recorded. This guide aims to make the online property tax filing simple and straightforward for everyone. Before you begin, gather essential documents like your property identification number, owner details, and any previous tax receipts. It's also wise to have your most recent property assessment information handy. Next, navigate to the official Punjab Municipal Corporation website. Once there, look for the dedicated property tax payment section, which is usually clearly marked for easy access. Now, carefully enter your unique property identification number into the designated field. The system will often pre-fill some property details. Always verify these for accuracy. If there have been any new constructions or alterations to your property, make sure to input that updated data. Finally, meticulously review the calculated tax amount to ensure it aligns with your expectations before proceeding. Once you've reviewed your tax details, select your preferred online payment method, such as net banking or a debit card. Proceed to complete the transaction securely through the portal. After a successful payment, immediately download and save your digital payment receipt for your records. It's a good practice to check the payment status on the portal again after a few business days to confirm it's fully processed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.